I've seen so many people have so much fun with these Stylophone synthesizers that I decided to buy one. So let's go ahead and open up the box. It comes in a nice box if you're going to be giving it as a gift. It's pretty handy. It's got the instructions here. I've watched a bunch of videos on it, and it looks like you've got a user's manual. You can open it up here, and it looks like there's a microfiber cloth with their logo under there. And let's see, this thing is going to need some batteries. I just went with these Amazon rechargeables. Then we've got the power switches up front here. Next we get the stylus out, and it has a wire going to it. And then we have these numbered. Get that iconic synthesizer sound. And if you want, you can tune it a little bit on the back there. Very fun. This is going to be a lot of fun, and as you can see, it's portable. It can plug into a DAP or a DAW or a MIDI. Hope this helps.